Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Dev C++ into your Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and here we will search for dev C++ and click enter. So after that here you can see we get Dev C++ and we will click on the first link. So now here we are in Dev C++ official website and we will going to install it by clicking on it. And here we are in SourceForge. So your download will start shortly. 3 seconds. And here you can see our download is started over here. You can see. So it will take a couple of seconds. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see that Dev C++ is downloaded and now we will go to our download section that where we downloaded our Dev C++. Go to download. So here is our Dev CPP 4.9.9.2 setup. Click on it 2 times and click yes for the permission. And now minimize it and click OK. And now here you can see, please wait and the setup is loading. So here please select the language. So you can select any of your preferable language. So I selected English for my preferable language and then click OK. After clicking on OK, here we get license agreement. If you want to read the license agreement, you can do. After reading it, you can click I agree. After clicking on agree, leave it as random and click next. And now here is the location. So you can change the location, but I will leave it as it is. So click install. And after that, here you can see that Dev C++ Beta 9 release is getting installing into our Windows operating system. So it will take a couple of minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. Click yes. And here you can see it's downloaded Dev C++ 5 Beta 9. So it's downloaded into our Windows operating system and now we will click finish. And here you can see it's getting started. So click on OK. And now here you can see we will go for the English original and click next. So here is a new feature you can see. It's called Dev C++ can redirect information from header files to help you find functions. To help you find functions, classes, and variables, prototype easily. So it's a very useful feature. So we will click on yes, and I want to use the feature. And after that, click next. Click next another time. Wait for a little bit. And here you can see the other Dev C++ has been configured successfully. Now click on OK. And after that, here you can see that it's loading. And here is our Dev C++ is opened. And now we will go for close. And here we opened our Dev C++ 4.9.9.2. So this is how you can install Dev C++ into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.